Hi everyone! In this video I will show you how to take down the big instant tent. Might be that exactly your tent requires more compact size, because normal way it will fold in 3 loops. We're going to fold it in 4 loops. So how to do that one? We will start by taking the sides together and we will put in front of us this way, holding in the middle, and then we have this kind of loop here. We're taking from this side and we need to bend it to this side, same middle of another loop, so it will be like this. So we have one big loop, so we bend it twice, and now we put it down with a little bit of twist, making like number 8. So, and then bending in one more time. That's it. We have it way smaller size comparing to the regular way of taking down. Let's try from another angle. Okay, so we have our tent in the middle, holding both loops. Now, we need to take middle of this side and we need to turn it to the middle of this side. Let's try to do it. Taking this one, bending, and getting to this point. And here we go. We have this one circle. After this one, we pressing the middle and twisting. So you see, H shape, bending one more time, and we're getting our small circle. Okay guys, I hope this video was useful for you, so take down your tent.